Want to do a quick video showing my new pen. It's the Monteverde RITMA Special Edition Orange, and this was an impulse purchase. Not a whole lot in price, but it definitely was an impulse purchase. So let's get to seeing what this pen is. Comes in a plastic case, which is interesting for the price point. It's a plastic case, but anyway. Ooh, let's go in a little bit more here. So what is that? Let's take that. Magnetic cap. Oh, I forgot it was a magnetic cap. Let's see how RITMA, a new technological innovation from Monteverde, USA, is the airtight magnetic cap. It is precision engineered to perfectly fit over the front section to avoid air passage and ink drying. No need to twist off. Gently pull and listen for the slight popping sound as the seal releases. Looking forward to hearing that. Let's get this. Oh, gosh, this thing is a bit weighty. I guess it's because of the magnetic cap. That's absolutely freaking gorgeous. Let's see about that cap here. It's an orange metallic body and almost like a platinum cap and finial end part. Okay, look at that. I got it in a stub nib because I've never had a stub nib before. Yes, it's beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Okay, let's try this magnetic. Let's see how it goes. Oh, did you hear that snap? Let's see if it snaps onto the back as well. It should, as far as I know, it should snap onto the back. Oh, it does. Okay, I'm gonna put this on. Let's see what's in the box itself. In the box we have 2 ink cartridges and how to use and a bit more about the actual pen, how to use. We'll put that away for now. But let's go to the pen. It's got a beautiful pen clip. And that's a solid pen clip. It's almost like it doesn't want to release. Wow, that's a solid. You're not going to get much underneath there if you want to clip it to anything. I don't clip my pens generally, so there you go. But it's a beautiful pen case. And as I said, it's a stub nib, which is, I'm really looking forward to writing with this. So beautiful. Just a clear, beautiful metallic piece of machinery. Let's ink this up. Of course, probably going to put an orange in here, just because it's an orange pen, but let's ink it up and see how it writes. It feels, when you cap it at the back, it feels extra heavy. It feels weighty at the back, so I am going to uncap it. I don't necessarily cap all my pens. So this pen is the Monteverde RITMA Special Edition Orange. Actually, they call it anodized orange. We'll add that too. (2023), and the nib is a stub, and it's inked in the Pilot Iroshizuku Yake. It's a beautiful pen. It's a very smooth writer as well. It's such a thick line. I know that's what a stub does, but it's such a thick line that, let's see. Beautiful cross sections there. Nice and wet. Beautiful. So there is the new pen. The Monteverde RITMA Special Edition Orange. That's my husband in the kitchen. Anyway, there's the new pen in the new ink that matches the pen. See you next time.